Hello, friends. Summer is here and the sun is very hot. Do you know birds feel thirsty and hungry just like us? Yes, in summer, water dries up and the birds cannot find food easily. So, today, let's help our little bird friends. First, choose a nice place in your balcony, terrace, or garden. Make sure it is cool, quiet, and safe. Now take a small bowl, fill it with clean fresh water, not too deep so small birds can drink safely. Next, take some rice or seeds, place them on a plate or near the water bowl. Now let's wait quietly. Look, birds are coming. They are drinking water and eating food. They look so happy. Helping birds is a kind and caring act. Even a small step can save a life. So let's keep water and food for birds every day in summer. Together we can help nature. Bye friends, don't forget to help the birds and spread kindness every day. Like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.